deep dive.
Yeah.
You're here because you want the important updates without the fluff.
Exactly. And today we're really digging into the AI world, just the last 24 hours.
Right. We've looked at the reports, and our mission today is simple. Cut through that noise, find the core insights.
And it covers a lot of ground movies, education, jobs, tech,
Yeah.
even power grids.
So let's jump in. First up, Hollywood. The Academy Awards, the Oscars, they've made a change regarding AI.
Yeah, it's pretty big news. They're allowing films made with AI to qualify.
But there's a catch, right?
There is. The key phrase they're using is significant human contribution.
Okay, significant human contribution. So AI can help, but a human still needs to be, fundamentally driving the creative vision.
Precisely. It's less about if AI is used and more about how. It sort of opens up questions about authorship, doesn't it? Where's that line?
It really does. Interesting times for creators.
Yeah.
Okay, let's switch gears. DeepMind.
Ah, yes, their geometry solver. It's made a remarkable leap.
What are we talking about accuracy-wise?
They're reporting 84% accuracy now on complex problems, which is, well, it's a big jump from before.
And it's down too.
Mostly enhancements in their Gemini model, their newer, more capable AI.
So this isn't just theoretical. It points towards AI tackling really tough, real-world science and engineering problems.
Absolutely. Think about potential applications in R&D, complex simulations, fields like that.
Okay. Now, education. There's talk in the U.S. about AI in schools, K-12.
That's right. A draft executive order is floating around proposing using AI to enhance learning outcomes.
Sounds promising on the surface, but I imagine there are concerns.
Oh, definitely. The immediate one that jumps out is student privacy. Huge amounts of data.
Of course. How do you use the tech effectively without compromising sensitive information? That's the tightrope.
Exactly. Balancing the potential benefits with the, inherent risks. It's critical.
Speaking of risks, or maybe just shifts
Yeah.
of the job market, there's this survey finding, what was it? Half of companies using AI for entry-level roles?
Yeah, 50% reporting AI is replacing some of those positions. It's certainly a headline that grabs your attention.
It does.
Really?
It sounds a bit scary for people starting out.
It can seem that way. But look closer. What companies are saying is that this shift increases the demand for skills AI can't easily replicate.
Like,
Strong communication, complex problem solving, critical thinking, nuance, basically the really human stuff.
so for you listening, the takeaway is maybe less about fearing replacement and more about doubling down on those core human skills.
That's a good way to put it. Adaptability and those higher order skills become even more valuable.
Got it. Now, what about managing all this, AI governance? There seem to be some worries about the U.S. approach.
Well, the discussion is around a potential shift towards, let's say, relying more on voluntary guidelines from companies rather than strict mandated safety standards.
And the concern there is lack of teeth, accountability.
Yeah, essentially. Will voluntary measures be enough to ensure AI is developed and used responsibly and safely? It raises questions. It's an ongoing debate.
Something to keep tracking. Okay, on a more direct consumer level, our phones. Google's planning something.
Yes, integrating AI tools, not just their own, but potentially from Microsoft, Perplexity AI, others into future Motorola and Samsung devices.
So AI won't just be an app you open. It'll be more woven into the phone's fabric.
That seems to be the direction, making the experience potentially much smoother, more personalized, more helpful day to day.
Interesting. And finally, powering all this AI.
Yeah.
That takes a lot of juice, right?
Oh, massive amount. The energy consumption is a serious factor.
Which brings us to Exawatt. They just raised significant funding.
$70 million, yeah. Their focus is specifically on developing sustainable power solutions designed for AI data centers and infrastructure.
That feels really important. If AI keeps growing like this, we absolutely need greener ways to power it.
It's not just important, it's becoming essential for the long-term viability of AI development.
So recapping quickly, AI is impacting the Oscars, solving complex math, entering schools, changing job demands, raising governance questions, embedding in our phones, and pushing energy innovation. It's everywhere.
It really is touching almost every aspect of modern life, and the pace is just incredible.
Which leaves us, and you, with a final thought to chew on.
Right. With all these rapid changes, with AI becoming so capable in so many areas, what are the truly fundamental human skills, the core values that will matter most as we navigate this future? Something worth reflecting on.